100 watts solar outdoor, motion sensor LED light, waterproof, with remote control. Working time 10 hours. The charging time and charging efficiency of solar panels may be affected by weather and installation location. Considering the conversion rate of solar power generation, the product is used in good weather, it will increase the charging efficiency. Solar panel, 5.5 volts 10 watts high quality polysilicon. Battery 3.2 volts 6000 milliampere. Easy to install, wall mount and pole mount. The solar lamp should be installed in the place, with effective light to ensure that the solar panel can fully absorb the sunlight, so as to extend the working time of the solar lamp. IP65 waterproof. The angle and light direction of the sun lamp should be adjusted to the best position, and the recommended height is 2 to 3 meters. In winter or short sunshine time, it is recommended to use solar specification, high-quality polysilicon solar panel. Each light equipped with 540 high-efficiency and energy-saving LED lamp beads, automatic on in the night. SasL Store online shop. Visit our website, www.saslstore.com. Thank you watching.